Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences using the platform. In this video, we're taking a look at the investment platform M1 Finance, accessible at www.m1.com. M1 Finance offers a unique approach to investing by combining automated investing with customization and control. Their platform emphasizes long-term, buy-and-hold strategies, making it an appealing option for those seeking to build wealth over time. A key feature of M1 Finance is the concept of pies. These pies allow you to create personalized portfolios by selecting individual stocks or ETFs, essentially building your own index funds tailored to your specific investment goals. You allocate percentages to each slice of the pie, representing the proportion of your investment you want in each holding. This level of control allows you to fine-tune your portfolio's asset allocation and risk profile. M1 Finance also automates the investing process. Once you've constructed your pie and funded your account, the platform automatically invests your deposits according to your predefined allocations. This eliminates the need for manual trades and helps ensure your portfolio stays balanced according to your desired targets. Rebalancing is also automated, ensuring your portfolio maintains its desired asset allocation over time as market fluctuations cause some holdings to outperform others. This helps to manage risk and maintain your desired investment strategy. Beyond the core pie-based investing, M1 Finance provides other valuable features. These include fractional shares, which allow you to invest in even high-priced stocks with smaller amounts of capital, dividend reinvestment to automatically reinvest dividends and compound your returns, and dynamic rebalancing to help optimize your tax efficiency. Furthermore, M1 offers borrowing against your portfolio, providing liquidity without the need to sell your investments. M1 Finance caters to a variety of investors, from beginners to experienced individuals seeking a more hands-on, yet automated approach. While the platform's customization features offer significant control, it's important to note that M1 primarily focuses on long-term investing. It might not be the best fit for active traders seeking short-term gains or frequent trading. If you're looking for a platform that blends automated investing with the ability to tailor your portfolio to your specific needs and investment objectives, M1 Finance is definitely worth exploring. Be sure to check out the link in the description below.